As you can see on my screen, I had 600% conversion rate, 352 euros, okay, or $400 in 1 day with affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now let me click again. You can see over here earning per click. If I click, is 350 euro per click. So basically I had only 6 people who came to my landing page on my quiz funnel, 600% conversion rate, and over here you can see 352 euros or $400. Now how is that possible? It's possible because of buyer's intent. Once you understand that there are awareness levels to each of the offer that you're promoting, let's say on ClickBank or any other like MaxWeb, any other affiliate network out there, CPA offers, CPA affiliate marketing, meaning you can just go promote offers without showing your face, without making any videos. All you have to do is spend 20 to 30 minutes per day promoting those offers with Google pay-per-click ads in this case, right? You can see 600% conversion rate and $400 in a day, in 24 hours. Okay, so yeah, it's possible once you have buyers' clicks. Buyers' intent is really important. You can have so much clicks, curiosity clicks, but non-buyers. So curiosity clickers are those who not bring you any conversions, even though you have a lot of traffic, lots of eyeballs, lots of audiences, but you need the right audience. You need the right people to click on your funnel, on your landing page, on your website to get this kind of result, as you can see over here. So if you want to know exactly how to put it into action before Christmas in 2025, okay, then let's take action now as you watch this video. Let me know. There's my Instagram, WhatsApp number, email, and Facebook Messenger where you can reach out to me one-on-one.